Do you see these nails? These nails, guess what? They're press-ons. Yeah, these are press-on nails by LA Colors. Ladies, if you need to get your nails looking right but you don't have a lot of time, consider press-on nails. You cannot go wrong, and they're so affordable you don't have to spend a lot of money. These are the nails I'm using, and here is what my naked, unmanicured, and unpolished nails look like before I begin, and here's what they look like after. Now this next step is optional. Before I apply my press-on nails, I use alcohol wipes or alcohol to get any dirt and oil off my fingers, just to make sure they're nice and dry. This actually makes the nail glue work better. It helps the nails adhere to my own natural nails better. And then I just follow up with a little buffing. Next thing I do is open up the package, and then I'll start finding the nails that are the right size for my own fingers. These nails are so pretty. Seeing them in the package still doesn't even do the color any justice. So next thing I'm doing, I'm opening the package, and then I'll take out the nails that fit my own fingers. I don't like my nails really long, so typically you'll see my press-on nails in the short length, or what they call active length. And after I get a few of them on, they're kind of hard to grip. So it may look like I have butterfingers, but it's because the nails are a shorter length. So when I pick them up, it's not a whole lot to grab onto. One hand down and one to go. Let me just remind you, these nails were $1, okay? Wait for it. Okay, look at this instant glam. Look at these nails. Look at the color. They are absolutely perfect. $1. And after I applied my nails, there are 2 left in the pack. They only come in a pack of 12. And I was able to find sizes that fit my fingers. Y'all, I am so pleased. I love these nails. I picked these up at my local Dollar Tree probably about 2 months ago. I just now am having a chance to get to them. Now, there are some pros and cons with these nails. The pros are they're only $1. You cannot beat that. The color is fantastic. This is like an ombre burgundy that transitions into a black. And they're so quick and easy and convenient. You can save yourself so much time by getting these press-on nails. The cons are you only get 12 nails in a package, so there aren't a wide range of sizes, but just work with it. I was able to do, of course, all 10 of my fingers in that package of 12. And you know, I'm very satisfied with these. I can definitely feel comfortable with these nails on. They do not come with glue, so pick up some glue while you're at Dollar Tree or wherever you find these nails, or just pick up some glue. You may already have glue if you wear press-on nails already. And I think those are the only cons, really. I believe these nails are seasonal. These are in the, I believe this is called the Enchanted line, and this color is called Stranger Things, if I didn't mention that before. I think I can only find these nails around fall or around the Halloween time of year. So if you see them in your Dollar Tree, pick some up. Keep them on hand. Even if you go to the salon to get manicures often, there may be a time where you can't make it. Pop these nails on and do your thing. All right, get you some nails. I'm enjoying these. I had to find a light color background because they go actually perfect with my blouse, and I needed to find a background where they could really, really shine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go get your press-on nails.